this. This is a $20 bill. That is a $20 bill. You see the face on there? That is Andrew Jackson. He is the first president jackass. Okay? Here we go. Here, show and tell. There is a jackass kicking a dead lion. See? That is a jackass kicking a dead lion. Okay? That is in the 1870s. Let me read it to you. A live jackass kicking a dead lion. And such a lion and such a jackass. See? Such a lion, such a jackass. See? That was the term, the jackass. But he said that he was a donkey. This guy right here. See him? Yeah, he said that. Here we go. The donkey was used as a political symbol by Andrew Jackson after his opponents called him a jackass during the 1828 election campaign. By the 1880s, such cartoons as the one above by Thomas Nast had caught the public eye and established the donkey as a symbol of the Democratic Party. See? A jackass. He was called a jackass. Alright? Jackass. Jackass. See? That's how that works. You know? Jackass. Okay. Jackass. He was called a jackass and he spun it. There are men out there that would not allow them to spin such things. They would tell them, you were called a jackass. You was not called a donkey. You was a jackass. Okay. But it has nowadays it has to be given over to ladies too. We have no choice. We have no choice. And boy, do we have a lot to pass around. One in particular I can think of right now. Madam Speaker of the House, jackass. Madam Speaker of the House, jackass. Madam Speaker of the House, jackass. She's a jackass indeed. She has got herself a frisbee course. She has got herself a frisbee course. She has got herself a frisbee course. While her bridges and roads are in need. While her bridges and roads are in need. While her bridges and roads are in need. She does all her work behind closed doors. That's because she is a madam, of course. She's selling us just like a worn-out horse. She's a jackass indeed. She's a jackass indeed. She's a jackass indeed. If she gets in again, I know I'll die, 'cause our finances again will cry. She is one of the main reasons why, with her good friend Harry Reid, with her good friend Harry Reid, with her best friend Harry Reid. Boom, boom. Yeah. Vote him out, please. If I were there, I would. I might move there since I'm so broke. Hitchhike. And go and help vote him out. Yeah. San Francisco, here I come. Okay.